How to add Collaborator after posting on Instagram. If you're wondering if you can add Collaborator after posting on Instagram, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. So if you open your Instagram and you go to your profile icon at the very bottom right corner, so if you click on one of the posts that you have already uploaded, and you can see this 3 dot above the post. So if you try to edit it, then you can see that there is no option of adding any collaborator or tagging new people. So unfortunately, this feature has not been available on Instagram yet. So you will have to delete your post that you want to add a new collaborator on, and you have to click on this plus sign and post it as a new post as you normally would, clicking on next and going to tag people right here and click on invite collaborator, and you have to do this all over again. However, if you go back and your 3 bars, you go to settings and you scroll down to help, and if you go to report a problem, so you can just click on report problem without shaking, and if you want to include this and continue, you can do that, but I'm just going to press don't include and continue. So you can explain what your problem is, saying I'm not able to invite a collaborator after posting on Instagram. Please help add this feature as soon as possible, and you can just report it to Instagram and maybe Instagram will add this feature. So unfortunately, as of now, you will not be able to add a collaborator after posting on Instagram.